Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I've got a Kubey knife here. Now, I've honestly had this in my possession for a while, and I was so confused by it because when it came in, it appeared to be brand new, like sent from wherever it was purchased from, and there was no information with it. But fortunately, the person who sent it to me got in contact with me, so I appreciate that. Now I know where to send it when I'm done. I have not actually opened it up yet, but I do know what it is. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So this is a Kubey Barracuda, and I don't know if it's actually going to say it on the box, but I have not actually taken it out of the packaging or experienced it yet. I wanted to kind of save that for you guys. This knife is not made in the United States. Do with that information what you will. In any case, for those of you who are interested, like I said, it's linked right down below. I haven't looked at a ton of Kubey knives, but I remember when somebody mentioned that they wanted to send this to me, I thought that looks kind of interesting, and it's got a decent value to it. Yeah, it is definitely a good front flipper. Here's why I thought it was so cool. This is a countersunk liner lock, which is a really nice touch. That takes a little bit of extra effort than just making this whole area exposed. There's also some really nice milling on this thing. The entire knife is titanium, and then we have S30V, which is an interesting choice. S30V is kind of like S35VN right now in that it is appearing, actually we see S35VN way more often on knives that are less expensive than we do S30V. We still see Benchmade coming out with knives in S30V in the $150 to sometimes close to $200 territory. We absolutely have seen some Spyderco models like the Manix 2 and the Shaman are still in S30V, and those are very expensive. This knife, unlike those knives, is not made in the United States, but it is full titanium, and it's definitely appears to be, I mean, the action's great. It's exactly what I'd expect from a Kubey knife. The front flipper's great, and I just really like that countersunk liner lock. Now, the look of it, I gotta be honest with you, the look of it is not something that I personally would go after, but it is ergonomically decent. I mean, there's plenty of space here. You can kind of feel the clip, but it's also flat. The clip is just very large. Nice lanyard area back here that's totally out of the way, which is awesome. Backspacer looks good. Fit and finish looks good. This is a fairly typical knife that you might see in this territory, but I gotta say, had they gone ahead with 20 CV and maybe charged like this is a $165 knife, but we've seen knives that are definitely at in the same zone for price, maybe like 175, 185 using 20 CV. So S30V is an interesting choice. It's sharpened well, and it's definitely sharp, reasonably thin behind the edge. Jimping's in the right place. Yeah, comfortable knife to use, and I think the blade shape will definitely do well for regular EDC stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna have to kind of play around and experience this knife, play around with and experience this knife over the next few weeks. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. It's the first time I've ever handled it, even though I knew what it was, right? But yeah, I'll gather my thoughts, and as per usual, you guys will get a full comprehensive review in about 2, 3, 4 weeks, something like that. Either way, thank you so much. It's actually 2 different people who got this to me, and now I know exactly where to send it on. But yeah, check this knife out if you want to. It'll be linked down in the description. Definitely something that is interesting. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all of my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.